Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word incomprehensibilities. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The book was filled with so many complex ideas and theories that it was difficult to follow and understand, leading to a multitude of incomprehensibilities. Incomprehensibilities refers to the state or quality of being impossible to understand or grasp due to complexity, intricacy, or confusion. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.